Imagine creating stunning visuals for your business in just seconds, but without a designer. So today, two AI models, Google's Nano Banana and Seedream 4.0, will go head to head to find out who is the best and who will be creating your next winning ad. Stick around with me and guess the winners. Let's go. Welcome back to Qubit 1. We will be testing these two image generator on 10 real life situations, social media posts, ads, and product shoots. For the first round, this is the prompt we are using, and this is the image of the logo we have uploaded as reference. So now let's go and see what our image generator tools have created. Can you guess which image generator created which image? Pause the video and guess. Okay, I think Gemini's Nano Banana did a really good job. It looks much more detailed, and I don't know why, like, Seedream's image has two Qubit One's logo. So, my vote for this round is Nano Banana. For the second round, this is the prompt we used, and this is the bottle image we uploaded. So, let's see what they have generated. Pause the video and guess. Okay, I think Nano Banana takes it also because the image generated by Seedream, like the product is not matching the background. And also in the background, like the astronauts are trying to drink water wearing the helmets. So that's weird. This is the third prompt we will be using, and this is a reference photo of our team. Anyways, let's see. This is like your regular social media post. Can you guess which one was generated by Nano Banana? If you guess the right one, you're absolutely correct. DeepSeed really messed up the text at the top. So I think for this round, Nano Banana wins. Okay, so this prompt is for generating creatives for your giveaways. And these are the reference photos we uploaded of a headphone, a laptop, and a smartwatch. So let's see how our models did. Okay, this is close. Can you guess which one was created by whom? Okay, I think Nano Banana's product placement is much better than Seedream's, but still, it's a real close call. They both did great, but I'll still give the dub to Nano Banana. This is the prompt we used for our fifth round, and these are the reference photos. This prompt is used for generating those seminar creatives. So let's see. Okay, both the images looked messed up. In that image, my face is a different face, and in this image, the text is off. So I'll give this a draw. Okay, for round 6, it's a hyper realistic product photo shoot, and the uploaded image is the image of a shoe. So let's see how our models did. Whoa, I love this one. Pause the video and guess. Seedream did an amazing job. The colors are so good. This round has to go to Seedream. For round 7, it's an ad creative for your local pet grooming service, and these are the reference photos. So let's check what our models did. I love both of them. They look amazing. Let's guess. Okay, what is that? What is book toil? Seedream messed it up. Even though Seedream like replicated the puppies really good, but Seedream messed it up in the text. So I have to give this to Nano Banana. Round 8 is for creating an infographic. So let's see. They both look really different. Like Seedream's image looks much more visually appealing, but Nano Bananas has those informative details. Uh, I have to give this to Seedream, but it's my personal choice. I like Seedream's much more visually appealing. This prompt is used for generating magazine covers. Pause the video and guess which image was generated by which model. Okay, I think for Seedream, it's going to conquer the world. Humans are not there in the future. So for now, I have to give this dub to Nano Banana. Okay, for the last round, it's generating a promotional creative. These are the reference photos. Let's see who wins this last round. Pause the video and guess. Oh my god, I really thought the left one was generated by Nano Banana. But no, Seedream wins this round because he used my reference photo and Nano Banana didn't. So finally, Nano Banana wins. Which image surprised you the most? Comment down below. If you want us to test more AI tools, just hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell. And if you want to automate your marketing journey, you can just contact us at Qubit1. We are here for making custom solutions for you guys. So I'll see you in the next video.